Are you ready to get your business found online? Let's jump into your listings dashboard. Your new listings dashboard has a couple of tools that apply to your business's listing needs. We're providing you a mobile-optimized business listing called My Listing. This instantly provides you with another place for your customers to find your business online and is fun and easy to customize. With listing distribution, you can see where your business's listing information sits on the 4 major data providers: Factual, Axiom, Newstar, and Infogroup. These 4 companies provide data to over 300 listings online, so it's super important that they have your business's correct info. And with Listing Sync, you'll be able to send your correct listing data across Google, Facebook, and Twitter instantly. You can also upgrade to our Listing Sync Pro solution, which will send correct data to anywhere from 25 to 40 additional sites. This number varies depending on whether the sites are relevant or not to your business. When you first log in, you'll be greeted with the Overview dashboard. This summarizes all of your information in one spot, so you can get a bird's eye view on how your business has been performing. At any time, you can take a quick tour here to get a refresher on what each of these panels mean. We recommend getting started by completing your business profile. This will ensure all of the info that we're pushing out about your business is 100% correct. It's worth it to fill in as many details as possible. Once done, click Save. Next, let's check out My Listing. What is it? It's super exciting. Just for accessing our listings product, we're providing you with a mobile responsive listing that's already available to be found by consumers online. My Listing is as simple as it sounds. A listing for your business that contains essential information. You can use it however you like. For most businesses, this will likely be an individual page. But for chains or franchises, My Listing can act as part of a store locator section from your main website. For smaller businesses that might not yet have a website, or those that haven't updated their website in years, My Listing can also function as an inexpensive microsite on a custom domain. Contact us for more information. Let's take a look at how My Listing looks by default. Click on View My Listing. This is live online right now, and you can send the URL at the top to anyone for access. Now, let's take a few minutes to customize My Listing. You can upload images for custom branding and add pages for pictures, videos, coupons, and more. These are all super easy to update. With just a little bit of effort, you can make these look great. When building the site, we suggest that you customize the theme, branding, and domain before adding any additional pages. Let's check out the Themes sub-tab. There are 4 unique themes to choose from. The default design is responsive. It will automatically format to the customer's screen, smartphone, tablet, or desktop. We recommend you stick with the default, but there might be situations to use a different theme. Now on to branding. Effective branding is important for every business. Here, you can upload your business's logo. Upload a favicon. This is the icon that appears in the Browser tab. Upload a mobile shortcut icon. This appears when a customer bookmarks the listing on their mobile device. Hide your general information from your listing. You may want to do this if you do not have a physical location and would not have an address to display in this section. Customize the background images and color. Make sure to adhere to the recommended specifications. Customize the color. Oh, and don't forget to add a business tagline. This is displayed beneath the logo. Save your changes and reload the page by clicking View My Listing at the top. Looks great so far. Now that we're done selecting a theme and optimizing our branding, let's add some pages. There are 6 types of pages: videos, custom, contact, images, coupons, and reviews. Home and review pages are automatically created. To start, let's edit the home page. The tab position, heading, and tab name can be easily edited. By default, home page is the first tab entitled Home. Meta keywords can be used by search engines to rank websites. A meta description is the 2 lines of text that appear below the link in a search. This description should be clear and concise, approximately 150 characters in length. For the body of each page, there's 2 content boxes top and bottom. Content can be copied and pasted from an existing website to match formatting. For advanced users, there is also an area to enter HTML. When finished entering in all applicable items, click Save. And just like that, refresh the My Listing page to see the changes. Each of the 5 types of pages is unique and is valuable when building a listing. Video pages increase engagement. URLs can simply be entered from popular video streaming sites like YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. By default, the home page is a custom page. Additional custom pages can also be added. Contact pages provide direct email communication between you and your customers. Easily upload and create an image page to build a photo gallery. Coupon pages hold value for your customers as they help generate new sales opportunities and drive repeat business. The Reviews page helps to collect and generate reviews. This page is enabled by default. Speaking of which, let's talk about generating reviews. This tab empowers you to easily collect new reviews and capture the voice of your customers. Our review generation system allows you to exercise control over the feedback you receive. For more information on developing a strategy on generating more reviews for your business, please contact us. Okay, back to editing a page on My Listing. It's important to remember that the tab name, position, and meta description can be easily edited or deleted altogether by clicking Edit. And as a reminder, at any time during the editing process, changes can be viewed by clicking My Listing page up here. To promote this page, you can use this unique QR code. All right, let's dive deeper into some of the more advanced features of My Listing. Under Domains, you can customize the location hostname or slug. You might want to make this something simple if your business name is long or complex. Below this, you'll see the mobile redirect script. If your main website is not mobile optimized, the redirect script can be used to direct mobile traffic to this responsive listing. Once the script is installed, you can test it out here. Next is campaign tracking. If your client is setting up campaigns in ad-serving networks like AdWords, they can use these tag generators to build URLs that can be placed into these networks. Using them will help improve campaign tracking and reporting. And finally, we have analytics. Use this area to view site analytics from the past 2 weeks. Now it's time for one final look at this listing. Boom! Looks great. Listing distribution is key in helping your business build your online presence. When you access the Listing Distribution tab, you'll see in detail how your business appears on the 4 major data aggregators: Infogroup, Axiom, Factual, and Newstar. If you notice that any of your listing information contains errors or isn't found on these providers, that should be a red flag. Particularly, if much of the information contains errors, this means that the data providers are distributing incorrect data to their online listing sources. If you notice lots of green check marks, great work. However, you can still benefit from ensuring this data is maintained. Click the Details switch in the top right to see what your information currently looks like. When listing distribution is activated, we'll send your business's data to the data providers over the next few months. This process can take a while, so check back with this dashboard periodically for updates. Also, the status icons will be replaced with orange arrows, which means the information is being processed. You'll begin to see badges beside the status icons. Sent means we have sent the information to the data provider, but they haven't accepted or rejected it yet. This step happens within 24 hours after activation. Accepted means the data provider has accepted the data and will update or add your information on their system shortly. It may take up to 6 weeks to begin seeing this confirmation. Fixed means the information has been updated on the data provider's listing. The sources that rely on the data providers can then begin accessing the correct information. It may take a few months to begin seeing results, as the various sources check the data providers at different time intervals, and then search engines take time to index any newly created listings. And rejected means the data was rejected by the data provider. Your info can be rejected for a variety of reasons. For example, a third party has already claimed the listing, the zip code is not properly formatted, or the data provider does not accept toll-free numbers. You'll be able to see the reason by clicking Show History in the blue bar directly beneath the data provider's logo. If you ever need to make changes to your business's data, you can click Edit on any of the data fields to go to your business profile. If you would like to activate listing distribution, please contact us and we'll walk you through the details. You can also watch the overview video here. Finally, let's head over to the Listing Sync tab. Listing Sync is a solution that allows you to instantly sync your contact information to Google, Facebook, and Twitter. This helps ensure accurate and consistent data on your profiles without having to visit each individual site to make changes. It's that simple. Remember, Listing Sync grabs your data from the Business Profile tab, and each profile will sync different data. For example, Facebook will sync your phone number, while Twitter does not. Click on the blue tooltip icons to learn more about the data that each site uses. If you'd like to set up Listing Sync, click Connect beside each site, then log into your account. It'll then ask for permission to access the account and update your business's data. Afterwards, click here to activate the sync. Or, if you're not ready to sync, switch it on at any time in the future. Once activated, the software will indicate that the sync was successful. Afterwards, any changes you make to your business profile will automatically sync to the connected profiles. It's great that you can now have consistent business information on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. But what about everywhere else online? With Listing Sync Pro, you can instantly create and maintain accurate listings on reputable sites like Bing Maps and Instagram. By activating Listing Sync Pro, the majority of listing sites you see here will update within 15 minutes to an hour. Best of all, there's no need for you to have accounts and authenticate to any of these sites. Do note that this time frame excludes Shopping Time Network, which can take 48 to 72 hours, and Nokia Here and the various GPS systems, which can take 60 to 90 days. To learn more about Listing Sync, watch the overview video here, and reach out to us if you wish to activate Listing Sync Pro. We're all done our tour. Enjoy making the most out of your listings dashboard each day by building your business's online presence. Best of luck!